How to make $10,000 a month on Amazon. In this video, I explain all the things in detail. Amazon is one kind of business model. Third-party sellers account for more than 58% of all Amazon sales, and their numbers are growing at the 52% annual rate. In addition, anyone may literally build a virtual storefront and reach a large audience in minutes. So, if you want to earn a month's wages in a fraction of time, starting with Amazon is a great place to start. You can also become a member of Amazon FBA for handsome earning. To store your inventory, you don't need a warehouse. After finding your products, you can have them shipped directly to Amazon by your supplier. When someone buys something from your store, an Amazon employee ship it immediately right away. Best of all, as an Amazon FBA seller, you can sell any product that is eligible for Prime. The number one benefit of becoming Amazon subscriber is the free 2-day shipping. You may profit handsomely after selling a few hundred units, but you will be unstoppable after that initial $1,000 hits your account. Then your friend will start asking you how to make $10,000 per month working from home, and you will be able to answer. So let's not wait and get straight into the content of the video. How long will it take you to make $10,000 with Amazon FBA? Here is a rough estimate of how long it will take you to reach $10,000 every month. 1 week to research product and providers, and 1 week to order and access samples. 5 weeks to order inventory and waits for manufacturing to begin. 5 weeks to ship merchandise via sea. 1 week to prepare your Amazon product listing page. 2 weeks to launch your first product. 2 months to reorder inventory, continue promotion and research the next product. Total time spent so far 23 weeks, about 6 months. Daily sales are expected to be around 20 units per day, 22% of target. Order a second product, wait for it to be manufactured and shipped, and then prepare a second listing. 2 weeks to launch your second product, 8 weeks to reorder goods, maintain promotion and study the next product. So far, I have worked for 44 weeks or 11 months. 40 units per day are expected to be sold daily, 44% of the total. Ordering and launching the third product takes 13 weeks. Continue to make until you reach your target of 30 units per day per product in your 4 weeks. So far, it's been 61 weeks or nearly 15 months. 90 units per day are expected to be sold daily, 100% of the total. Given these considerations, a plausible time frame for achieving this goal is the 12 to 18 months. Now conclude the whole video. If you have ever wondered how to make money on Amazon FBA, you might be amazed at it how simple it is. With little more than an Amazon account as your first investment, you may develop a high profit margin in my Amazon FBA business you want to run. Try out the method and make a huge amount of money in no time. Of course, your commitment and work are always required. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need to ask something or share something, please use the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the whole video. If you enjoyed this video, do like, comment and share this video for your future update. I will see you in my next video.